I saw somebody asking a question about whether you could make this line join between these two objects, and when you move one, the other one moves as well. It's called the Constrain coincident object or constraint. So Vectorworks has a series of constraints that it can have. Let me just remove the constraints from here. There's a right click. Let's remove the constraints. Cool, that's gone. Now the idea is that there's a whole series of constraints here. I use the constrain coincident. So I click at the end of that line and then I click on that rectangle. I'm just coming inside a little bit. Let me show you. I click on that line and then I come inside the rectangle a little bit, click again, and it puts that little green square on the end of my line. Those are now constrained, so now when I move them, it moves that line and the line stays connected between those two. Now there's a whole bunch of constraints. I'm going to make an extended movie for my subscribers and for the people on my website. So if you want to see more of this, don't forget to become a member on my website and have a look to see how we do it.